Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we are here at Osaka Castle. We are going inside. बहुत लंबा चलना पड़ रहा है. मुझे गेट दिख गया है बट चलना पड़ेगा. So हम ओसाका कैसल जा रहे हैं. जाके मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. Till then, subscribe to my channel. Like my video, comment on my video, click on the bell notification, follow me on Instagram. And this is what I'm wearing. आपको वीडियो में दिख ही जाएगा. So we are now entering Osaka Castle and the path is extremely long. We have to walk all the way from here to there and it's not just a short walk. We have to walk a lot and on top of that the sun is scorching hot. I don't know what to say, man. Look, there is a lake like water body here. But it's dried up and very dirty. Still it's look beautiful. बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है. मैं आँख नहीं खोल पा रही. बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है आज. एवरीडे सुबह गर्मी ही होता है. People have come prepared with umbrellas to protect themselves from the sun. We are still walking inside and one gate leads to another. We didn't bring an umbrella but seeing others with them made us think we should have bought one too. Oh well, since we are already here, we'll have to continue. This is the second gate and now we're entering. Look, there's another long path ahead. Oh my god. I don't know how we have done that. It would have been great if we had a stroller or a buggy, but we couldn't find one. And it would have been very expensive anyway. I keep saying this, but the sun is scorching hot. We didn't expect to have to walk so far to reach Osaka Castle. It would have been better if the path were shorter, but since we are here now, let's move on. Look, there is a signboard here that provides information about the castle. Those who want to learn more can read it. Mom is walking ahead, but we still haven't reached the end. Okay, let me tell you a bit about Osaka Castle before we proceed. Osaka Castle is one of Japan's most famous landmarks and a must-visit destination for history buffs and travelers alike. Located in Chukuoka, Osaka, Japan, the castle has a rich history dating back to 1583 when it was built by Toyotomi Hideyoshi, a powerful feudal lord and warrior. The castle was constructed on the site of former Ishiyama Hoganji temple, which had been destroyed. The castle's layout is impressive, with a series of moats and defensive fortifications surrounding the main keep. And finally we are entering the castle. This was the last gate, and before that you can wash your hands here before you enter the castle. It's a ritual in every shrine and castle. The inner castle moat lies with the castle grounds and consists of two types, wet and dry. The outer moat surrounds the entire castle premise and consists of 4 individual water-filled sections. Today, the castle houses a museum with over 10,000 historical artifacts, offering a glimpse into Japan's rich history. Visitors can explore the castle's interior, which features exhibits on the history of Osaka and the castle itself. The castle is surrounded by a beautiful park, Osaka Castle Park, which offers stunning views of the castle and the surrounding cityscape. Visitors can take a leisurely walk around the park, enjoy a picnic, or take a boat ride around the moat. Osaka Castle is easily accessible by public transportation with several train stations nearby. Admission to the castle and museum is 600 yen for adults and free for children under 15. Finally, we have reached Osaka Castle after walking for hours. Oh my god, it was so far. I can't explain you. Anyway, what do you think? Isn't it beautiful? Osaka Castle is very beautiful. As usual, I take videos everywhere I go and I have completed that task here. And everyone is taking videos and photos despite the scorching heat. I tried to take a good video, but that heat wasn't making it easy. Anyway, we have completed the video and now we are now exploring the castle surroundings. I mean, we didn't go inside the castle as there were I mean that there was a long line for tickets, but we can see it from outside. I mean, inside we don't have to go every time, right? So, and we were looking for a shaded spot to sit, but couldn't find one yet. There are many people here today. I have noticed that many of them are carrying umbrellas. You are missing ours. But it's okay. Let's move on from this umbrella. And finally, I have seen a person dressed in traditional warrior attire, and we have taken a video of him. I have also taken a photo and video with him, but I am not sure if he's a real warrior or just dressed up. But yeah, you can take photos with him whenever you go there. He will be there. Osaka Castle again, and you can see how beautiful it looks from every angle. There are many photo spots here, and we have taken advantage of them. And now we are at the Osaka Park, which has a small lake or pond, you can say, and I have taken another video here. I mean, video to banta hai, if we say in Hindi, video to banta hai. So हम कैसल देख के अभी ये ब्यूटी देख रहे हैं, कितना सुंदर है ये, बट इट इज़ वेरी हॉट. और ये है पापा फ़ोटो लेते हुए, और मम्मी का है, उधर खड़ी है मम्मी. अब ये बहुत गर्म है, बहुत टू हॉट टुडे. मेरा सनग्लास इधर ही अटक के रहता है. बट आई एम डन विथ ओसाका कैसल. वी आर गोइंग टू नेक्स्ट श्राइन. देन जाने के बाद फिर मिलती हूँ आपसे. This is so beautiful. It looks like a painting. We took a video of mom here, and the view from behind is stunning. It feels like we're standing in front of a canvas, and it's as if someone has painted it. I took videos of mom and dad, of course, and dad took a video of me too. ये भी तो बनता ही है. And after that, you know what we did? Guess. We went to find food because we were hungry. So we saw this cafe which has a rooftop terrace cafe inside. इतने देर के बाद थोड़ा सुकून मिला है, धूप से थोड़ा सा सुकून मिला है. यहाँ पर प्राइस तो दिख रहा है. पापा खाना दिख तो रहा है. See, they have lot of food. प्राइस नहीं पता, प्राइस देखना पड़ेगा क्या है क्या नहीं. But before entering the cafe, we saw a souvenir shop here. I bought a magnet of Osaka for myself and mom. Look, they have everything here. Kimono dress, traditional shoes, katanas, Japanese sword जिसको बोलते हैं, and many more. And finally we ordered a mango juice from the cafe, and you can probably guess how it tasted from the expression on my face. Initially it didn't taste good at all. I said, what kind of juice is this? Then I saw it was full of ice, which made it terrible. What a waste. क्या हुआ? ठंडा है, बर्फ डाल के रखा है इसमें. पापा आप खाओ. बहुत ज़्यादा है. मैंगो ही अच्छा है, बाकी बहुत बर्फ दे के रखा है. So finally we have arrived at our second destination, Namba Yashaka Shrine. And look, this shrine is of a completely different type. It's been built so beautifully, it's so stunning. Namba Yashaka Shrine is a Shinto shrine located in the Namba district of Osaka, Japan. Namba Yashaka Shrine was built in 569 AD, making it one of the oldest shrines in Japan. It was originally dedicated to the god of medicine, but over time it became associated with the god of entertainment, music, and dance. The shrine is known for its unique architecture, which is a blend of traditional Japanese and Chinese styles. The main hall is decorated with intricate carvings and colorful tiles, and the roof is curved with a distinctive way. The shrine has a large stage where traditional Japanese performances such as kabuki and no theater are held. The shrine is famous for its lion dance performance, which are held on special occasions. The shrine grounds are beautiful and peaceful, with many traditional Japanese gardens and walking paths. The shrine holds a large New Year's festival which attracts many visitors. The shrine is famous for its beautiful cherry blossoms and hosts a festival to celebrate their blooming. The shrine holds a lion dance festival which features traditional lion dance performance. This shrine is a short walk from Namba station on the Osaka metro. The shrine is also accessible by bus from Osaka station, and admission to the shrine is free, although there may be a small fee for special events and performance. So we are leaving here now and heading for lunch. We saw a Japanese restaurant, but the line was too long, so we thought it must be good. The restaurant looked beautiful and they had sushi, ramen noodles and everything. We said let's go, but the waiting time was too long and we were very hungry. We wondered where to go instead. Finally we decided to wait. Finally we got in, and look, the tables are designed for people to sit on both sides with a divider in the middle as a boundary. This way single people who come out to eat won't have any problems. Nice idea.
अभी हम लंच करने आए हैं जापानीज रेस्टोरेंट में. ऑब्वियसली इन जापानीज रेस्टोरेंट में ही खाएंगे, पर इस जापानीज स्टाइल खाना है. बोल क्या रही हूँ, हर जगह जापानीज स्टाइल खाना ही होता है. एनीवे, मैंने प्रॉन्स टेम्पुरा सेट ऑर्डर किया है विद सोबा नूडल्स. फर्स्ट टाइम ट्राइंग सोबा नूडल्स, सो लेट यू नो हाउ इज इट. सो आई एम हैविंग जापानीज सेट, प्रॉन्स टेम्पुरा सेट विद सोबा नूडल. राइस तो बहुत ही अच्छा है एंड बहुत ही टेस्टी है, बहुत ज़्यादा टेस्टी है. जापानीज खाना अच्छा है, ऐसा नहीं बोलना है, अच्छा है.
And this was the Japanese set meal. It was obviously prawns tempura noodle meal, and we enjoyed a lot with fried chicken. After that we went to a convenience store and I tried some of their food items because I was making a video about what I tried from the convenience store in Japan, and I think I had a matcha cake, and you guys must have seen the video where I tried various items from the convenience store. But I can say it was good. I mean, all the food I had from convenience store all were so good.
सो फाइनली आज मैं सुशी खाऊंगी. यहाँ पर सशिमी मिलता है, वो प्रॉन्स टेम्पुरा ये सब नहीं मिलता है. आई होप वो अच्छा हो. फाइनली मैं ओसाका में खा रही हूँ सुशी. मम्मी और मैं पापा नहीं खाएंगे, तो मम्मी और मैं जा रहे हैं, खा के देखते हैं कैसा है.
After that we went out at night to have sushi and sashimi, which I hadn't eaten at all during my entire trip. I said to myself, I have to try it. I don't know why I didn't try it in Tokyo. It's still a mystery to me. Anyway, finally the day arrived and we were looking for a sushi restaurant near our place. There were so many options, but we couldn't decide which one to choose. Finally, we decided to go to this Japanese style sushi restaurant. We are finally going inside, and looks, it's beautiful from the outside. We entered through sliding doors and the interior is also Japanese style.
मैं सुशी खाने आ गई हूँ. फाइनली
They all serve us food made in the traditional Japanese way. We ordered sashimi, eel, prawns and tuna sushi, which looked very tasty.
तो मैं ये सुशी ट्राई कर रही हूँ पर जापान में फर्स्ट टाइम. This one is very tasty. Too much. बहुत tasty. मम्मी आपको अच्छा लगेगा ये. सो गाइस, हमने सुशी खा ली और मैंने बहुत अच्छे से खाया है. सुशी सेम ही है, इंडिया और यहाँ का टेस्ट सेम ही है, कुछ डिफरेंट नहीं है, बट या सो टेस्ट कर लिया हम लोग ने. एंड दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडेज वीडियो. विल बी बैक विद अ न्यू वीडियो. टिल देन सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल, लाइक माय वीडियो, कमेंट ऑन माय वीडियो, क्लिक ऑन द बेल नोटिफिकेशन एंड फॉलो मी ऑन Instagram. बाय.